One sunny morning, Leo was walking through the green fields near his home. He saw a tiny baby goat, all alone. It looked scared and very hungry. Leo picked it up very gently. He knew he could not leave it there alone. He carried it all the way home to his family. He gave it warm milk to drink. Soon, the goat felt safe and happy. Day after day, they played together everywhere. The little goat followed Leo everywhere he went. They were never apart. They were best friends.
But one day, his parents told him something very hard.
"We have to send the goat to a big farm far away," they said gently. A kind farmer came to take the goat to his new home. Leo hugged his best friend very tight. He did not want to let go.
The little goat looked at him with big, kind eyes. It knew he was sad.
Slowly, Leo walked toward the farmer's cart. He put the goat down carefully. He did not want to say goodbye.
The farmer said he will have lots of grass and friends to play with.
The cart began to move down the road. But then something happened that made Leo's heart jump. The little goat ran back to Leo. It would not go away without him. Leo cried softly. He had never felt so sad before.
His parents stood beside him. They knew how much he loved his friend.
Leo took a deep breath. He knew he had to let his friend go.
He hugged his friend one last time. "Be happy." The little goat watched Leo all the time. It did not want to say goodbye. The cart moved down the road, further and further away. The little goat looked back until it could not see him anymore.
Leo stood there alone for a long time. His heart felt empty.
That night, Leo thought about all the happy days they had together.
He knew he had done the right thing. He had loved his friend well. A few days later, Leo walked back to the place where they met. He saw a small flower growing there, like a little gift from his friend. Leo learned that day that love does not end when you say goodbye.
True friends stay in your heart forever. You can love someone and still let them go.
That is the greatest lesson of all.
And he will never forget his little goat friend. Love is always worth it, even when it hurts. Never forget your friends. and always love with all your heart.